In this video, I will show you how to transfer Solana from Trust Wallet to Phantom Wallet. To do this, first just go and open up your Trust Wallet account and then click on Send from the home screen. From here, we're going to select Solana, and now here you will need to add an address. Now to find this, just open up Phantom Wallet, and then on Phantom Wallet, click on Receive and select Solana. Then here click Copy, and then you have copied your Solana address. Now go back to Trust Wallet and just paste in the wallet address right here. Then for the amount, you can just enter it or click max, and then it will do all of it that you have. Then click next, then go and click on confirm. And now it's processing, and it will then disappear from your Trust Wallet balance and show up in your Phantom Wallet balance. I'll just wait for that to happen. So it has already shown up into my Phantom Wallet. As you can see here in my history, I have received it just now. So now you know how to transfer Solana from Trust Wallet to Phantom Wallet. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.